Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate tasks in Google Sheets. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to automate tasks in Google Sheets using the built-in tools like macros and Google Apps scripts. How to automate tasks with macros is the first thing we're going to do. Google Sheets provides a built-in macro feature that allows you to record repetitive actions and then run them automatically later. So here are the steps to create a macro. Go to your Google Sheets and open the sheets where you want to automate tasks, which we have here. And in the top menu, go ahead and click on extensions. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and choose macros and select record macro. Select whether you want Google Sheets to use absolute references, that is, specific cell references like A1, or relative references, meaning relative to the selected cell. Then perform the steps you want to automate. For example, formatting cells, applying formulas, then Google Sheets will record your action. So right here, it's already recording. So if you use absolute references or use relative references, you can just use any of them and go ahead and do whatever thing you want to do. So you can format cells, you can apply formula, and just whatever you do, just know that Google Sheets is recording them automatically, as this already says here. Now, once you have completed the steps you want to automate, go ahead and click on Save. All right. So go ahead and click on Save. And once you click on Save, that's it. The macro is now saved. So you will be saved, or you'll be prompted to name your macro, which we have here. So give it a descriptive name. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Save. But I'm just going to discard. Now for you to run the macro that you have saved, go back to extensions and then click on macros and select the macros that you created. So I have a macro here, which is copy data. Once you do that, that's it. Your recorded actions will now be applied to the sheets. That's it. So the second step to use, or the second method to automate tasks, is using Google Apps Script. Now, this is for more advanced automation tasks. All right. So how can you use this Google Apps Script? First off, you need to know that Google Apps Script allows you to write JavaScript code to automate tasks in a Google Sheet. So you have to open the script editor. Now, how do you do that? In the Google Sheet, go ahead and click on Extensions and head over to App Script from the drop-down menu. The App Script editor will open. Here, you can write JavaScript code to automate various tasks. That's, for example, to automatically sort data in a specific range. You can use a sample code, which we have here. That's this function that says show alert. Instead of show alert, you can just type in auto sort. And here where you have spreadsheet app, you can leave that, and then spreadsheet get range. And the range, so that's it. Show that's okay. It's not properly spelled. Auto sort. And you can also do that for here, which is copy data. Now you can customize this code for your needs by changing the sheet name, the range, and sorting options. And once you're done, just go ahead and save by clicking on Ctrl S. And that has been saved. It says save in project, so it has been saved. Then to run the script, go ahead and click the run button, which is in the script editor here. And then the first time you run the script, you will need to authorize the script to run. Or if you don't get the prompt to authorize it, then just go ahead and skip that. So that's it. That's another step. So you can go over these steps, all right, repeatedly, and just customize it to what you want, and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search. Now, I'd like you to know that macros is good to record and replay actions, and Google Apps Script is used to automate complex tasks with code. And if you want to use add-ons, pre-built third-party tools for specific automation tasks are also cool with add-ons. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.